Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about AI handwritten notes. Yes, if you are looking for digital skills, AI tools, websites and apps in this digital era, then you are at the right place. I'm going to help you in just 5 minutes. You will learn everything that you need to know about how to make AI handwritten notes. When it comes to making AI handwritten notes, you can make use of ChatGPT and you can also make use of Google Gemini. Now, people say that Google Gemini is the best. Some says that ChatGPT is. But let's go ahead with the top 2 AI handwritten notes generator. Like first, I want to tell you the prompt that you have to use. For that purpose, I need to go to the docs. So I need to click here. As you can see here, you also need to save that prompt in your document or anywhere that you want to save. Now this is actually the prompt, right? What you need to do is I'm going to share you the document link also in my description. You can copy that prompt from there. Like first, as you can see here, the topic, you have to write this topic over here. For example, I have chosen the topic of AI, artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning. And then these are the 3 to 4 points which need to be there in order to make a good full-fledged handwritten diagrams and doodles and the notes which look like handwritten notes but generated with the help of AI. So this is basically the form that you need to copy it. So first let's move ahead with both of them one by one to check how much time both will take, what content they will use, and how will it generate. I mean, let's look ahead with everything that needs to be there in AI handwritten notes. So I'm going to have that particular prompt pasted into both of these ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's see. So I have given this, so it is creating the image, yes, and this is also creating the image, yes. So both of them will take a little time to generate AI handwritten notes, but they will be full-fledged, yes. Let's look at Google Gemini and let's look at ChatGPT. ChatGPT has generated this whole set of notes that's so good. Artificial intelligence, the broadest field, refers to the machine designed to think, act like humans. To the goal is also there written, technique, goal, and the introduction also. The key takeaways like AI is the goal of creating, ML is the approach. Then there is a relationship diagram also. Now that diagram is also very important, like somebody who wants to learn. Now when it comes to content enriching, then ChatGPT is a good one. You can choose ChatGPT. Examples are also written over here. How they work also is written over there. And example of an image recognition, that is also written. So everything I think which is which should be included in AI versus ML versus DL is there in the ChatGPT AI handwritten notes. But let's go ahead with the Gemini also. Gemini is taking a little time, but let's see how it will generate the AI handwritten note. Okay, so as you can see here, Gemini also has generated with the first diagram, which is the subset diagram. Okay, the one diagram, the artificial intelligence machine learning subsection, also it has highlighted like humans highlight. Then also written a little bit about key takeaways, you can say. Then a little bit of comparison, and this is something like, you know, a copy, a notebook. So let's check both of them. Content wise, ChatGPT has enriched their content, but in comparison to Gemini, it has not that much, but but that's also pretty good. But if you are looking for content enrichment, you can go with basically your ChatGPT. And if you want to go with something which looks also nice and looks like human has written, then you can go with Gemini. Both of them are very good, and you can check and use both of them if you want to use for your specific and particular topics that you want to learn. So in this way, if you want to have your AI handwritten notes available to you in just seconds, then you have to go with ChatGPT and Google Gemini AI handwritten notes. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such content in the future.